Good evening, everyone. I am Madhulika Mupparam. So, when I was asked to speak a speech on any topic, I wondered what could be the topic I have to choose so that everyone can relate. So, I thought sometimes and I realized sometimes the bigger differences in our lives will happen from a small situations that in everyday challenges, the challenges that we go through. So I wanted to discuss one of my favorite situations that happened in my 21-year-old journey. So yeah, let's start. Let me start with a confession. My handwriting used to be very bad in school. Like I thought, like because of that handwriting, I thought I have to become a doctor so that like it would be good. So that embarrassing I used to like my handwriting used to be. So when I start something that new word I started like when I start writing, I just kept one thing in my mind that I have to improve, I have to write better that I wrote from the past. So like that, keep on trying till 10th grade. I had number of variations of styles, like I guess iPhone's models also less than that. So till 10th grade, I had like constant handwriting and like yeah, anybody can read it and understand. So after that, from this scenario, small situation that happened, that I got to know that whatever you try, it should you have to have a patience and effort, and you have to have a confidence that I will do something better. So it made like worse to better, and it's kind of pretty good, right? So the first lesson I have learned from this scenario is practice makes man perfect. Wait a minute. Why a man? I said practice makes human perfect, right? So this is the first lesson I have learned. So coming to the second lesson, second scenario. Again, going back to my school stage and everything, I have worked, like rigorous practice on quantitative aptitude, like CAT aptitude, quantitative aptitude. I've done a lot of questions. So after that, next 6 to 7 years, I did not touch like even single question. So fast forward 6 years, like last year, I had an interview, Infosys interview. I went into the cabin and I was kinda, interviewer like I feel some tense and nervous. I feel calm down, and the interviewer, like straight to the point, he asked me aptitude logical question. There were no introductions, no resume questions, nothing. And the craziest part is I have answered at first try. So and the one more thing is at that on that day, like in the entire batch, nobody, like no interviewer or nobody got asked any aptitude question except me. I am like okay. So from this scenario, that I have thought that I have understood, I have solved the questions like way years back, like 6 years back ago. But that knowledge I have learned that never wasted. So that knowledge I have learned is waiting in my life to shine at one moment. So this is the moment that I had, and I excelled it. Because of that question I got correct. The rest of the interview was pretty easy because he got impression on me. That's the most important in interview. So the second lesson I have learned is like whatever we learn in any stage, anything, that it will shine in any way or in any aspect, that excels ourselves in anything. So that's the second lesson, this situation. And coming to third situation. Oh my god, I love cooking. Cooking is my go-to place, go-to therapy, and it's like I love that place and everything. So again, my family runs a business. So during festive season, they would be super busy. So they won't have a time to cook food and something. So again, like 6th grade, 7th or 8th grade, kind of that. Like on one day, it's like around lunchtime. They were super busy and they did not make any food. I thought either I have to give it a try or we have to stop. So I just opened YouTube and I just made lunch, and I was so surprised that it is edible. It's not wasted. So here that I got to know that we will learn. Like I in my scenario, I learned, like I started learning because the situations have to be, or like sometimes you want it to be, but if you keeps going on that, like we would be surprised what we can do it. So the third lesson that I have learned in this scenario is we can learn anything, like anytime, anything. It's not like impossible. Anything is like can possible, can anything. Nobody is born talent, nobody is born perfect. That's the third lesson. And fourth lesson, like coming to the last but not the least, and this lesson is most important to me. Like it boosts me, and like it, for sure it will be in the future too. The thing is, it's coming to my like personal kind of my height. I know I don't look like a 21-year-old woman that work in 21 like IT industry, but my parents always said only one thing, that if you face any challenges, you have to build the qualities that overcomes this fault. That's it. So they built me, they raised me, they molded me in such a way that I am much more confident, I'm super mature, and I dress up well. That what I have. And fourth thing, I give positive attitude towards the people, so that like the other persons can contact me or like communicate with me comfortably. So like right now I'm super proud of my height, because of this I built the best qualities that it should be in the human being. So I am super proud. It's not like, of course there will be a situations like in the future also that I become like self-conscious. But that time this will boost me that you have good qualities. So it will be like positive way. So I wanted to say the important thing is in my situation that I have understood, like we have to accept what we have. Everybody has some uniqueness that we have to accept and use it well, so that we will be shy. So the fourth lesson that I learned from this scenario is, turn your weaknesses into strength. That makes you perfect. And these are my like teeny tiny small scenarios, but the lesson that I have learned, it impacts me in my life a lot. I really want, like I'm curious to know, I want to your experiences that you had in your life, so that like any teeny tiny experiences you are have, like but it impacts your life. So I wanted to know, anybody can share it.
What is the